we did this. This is really cool. We designed this. It's called Top Fold A2 card die set. We designed this, and it comes with, so see the hello, the flowers, the snowflakes, and the stars. It comes with borders. So that's an option. That's an option. Hello's an option, or the stars. And what do I mean? Let me show you. Hang on. Let me show you. Where's my samples? Okay. So this way you can run it through your die cut machine and then add the border. So here's the border added to that one. So then it becomes A2. So there you go. So now you have a top fold A2. There you go, just like that. And boom, there it is, just like that. Will you make, oh, Polly, we probably won't ever do 12 by 12 cardstock or paper because of the shipping costs. It costs so much. But here's another one. Here's the flowers at the bottom, which I'll be honest, I think the flowers might be my favorite. Here's hello at the bottom. Here's another hello at the bottom. Now, I did have one sample, and I don't see it here, but in the video that I did, there is a sample with no border. No one said you had to have a border, right? So really, there's like 5 different ways you can do this, 4 with borders and 1 without. Here's the snowflake. Look how, hang on. Look how gorgeous let's see. There we go. Look how gorgeous those snowflakes are. Aren't they pretty? You guys, and then so it's kind of like year round, right? So you have the, look at that. How fun is that? Double border down there. Who did that? Cheryl, that's awesome. I love that. So you get to decide. Do you want stars? Do you want snowflakes? Do you want hello? Or do you want those awesome flowers? Look, this is, you guys, this is just the square card front Choose Joy. And you know what? We need this like in our background right now, huh? We just need this like right here. Choose joy, choose joy, choose joy. But how simple, right? You could totally make this in 10 seconds or less. Isn't that awesome? I love that. And backwards, it spells almost you, because then I looked at it and went, wait, it's wrong. But then I'm looking at it backwards. Okay. The flowers at the bottom. I know. You guys, seriously, so you have flower option. Oh, here's another flower option. Did I show you that one? So that's the flower option. Here is the hello option. Flowers, hello. Let's see if I can hold these up. Flowers, hello. Stars. But wait for it. There's also snowflakes. So you're getting all 4 automatically. Now, will we come out with more? I don't know. That's up to you guys. You guys, I want you to get this. Yes, Daisy Girl, you could totally turn this on its side and do a border this way. So you could make it a border. Wait, hang on. This way. It could also totally go this way. Absolutely. So I want you guys. Thank you, Teresa. She said the samples are gorgeous. I'm telling you, I absolutely positively, our design team's amazing. So I want you guys to get this die at home. It's on flash sale right now. I want you to get this die at home, and I want you to tell me, in the future, if you want to see more borders for this. So the borders, which is also cool, are sized to be 4 1/4, right? Because that's the width, 4 1/4. So I'm excited to see what you guys do with it. She's playing with her bunny. So, okay. Then we released the Stand and Say Merry Christmas. So here is the Merry Christmas. And I don't know if this was supposed to go this way or this way. I think it's supposed to go this way. Merry Christmas. Here's another one with our winter. Oh, here's a star one I forgot to show you. So here's another one, Merry Christmas. But check this one out. So I designed these mainly to go on the gatefold cards, right? Mainly on the gatefold cards. Beatrice says, I love the idea of having interchangeable borders. It brings the card to another level. Absolutely. Absolutely. Oh, Jeannie already says she wants more options for borders. I know. Teresa says definitely more borders. Mary Lynn saying borders, baby, mom, dad, sis. That would be awesome. More borders. Thank you. I think more borders would be a great idea. Plus more word stamps and dies. There you go. So here we go. Are you ready for this one? Because this one has, this is not what I thought it was. Okay, but this is how I designed it, you guys. So I designed the Stand and Says to go on gatefold cards, and I already opened this one in the video. That's why it's open. But then there you go. So there is your gatefold. Merry Christmas, and then you open that up. Now, that is the other item, one of the other items that is on flash sale. Merry Christmas. Then, are you ready for this one? I know on the website, if you've already been to the website, I know on the website it looks like nothing. you're like going, I don't want that. I don't need that. I don't even know what that is. I understand. Because I looked at it on the website and I'm like, I know the magic it can create, but it looks like nothing. It really does. Hi, Donna. Hello, love. Sonia says, I missed 7 minutes. Where's your dog? She is currently actually being a little good, so we'll leave her for a minute. Hang on. You gotta be see. Okay, where is she? Where is the dog? Where is, oh, you can kind of, oh, hang on. I'm trying to get there. Look at how messy our office is. We'll get my cup out of the way. See, let's see. There she is. She is causing havoc to her bed. Honey bear, what are you doing? What are you doing? What you do? I'm trying to get it. What you doing? The cord's not long enough. Okay. But she's actually being good. I'm just kind of surprised. So what we have is the dumbest, ugliest die in the world, right? Ta-da! It looks like nothing. It looks like nothing. Actually, it almost looks like eyeballs or hills. Reminds me of Teletubbies. The hills of Teletubbies. Okay, but this is what it does. Are you ready for this, my loves? And who did this? Michelle did this, and she's so good about using the Velcro to keep these closed. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah, I do need a pink dog bed. I know. Ready, set, dun, 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 dun. Double, double, double. On the 5x7 gatefold, you can do double. And then she even made a pocket up here. But look at this, you guys. Is that the freakishly cutest thing you've ever seen in your life? This is awesome. So here it is again. Ready? Dun, 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 dun. Hamburger bun. It does look like a hamburger bun. Isn't that freakishly adorable? Now, let's look at a couple others. Here's the one that we use for packaging, I think. Oops, it's upside down. Okay, ready? Dun, 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 dun. Just simple. Look at that. That's just gluing, you guys. That's just gluing. And I will do a video on this. But look, let's dissect this really quick. All you're doing is you're adding glue or tear tape here and here, folding it, making it a V on your card, and then decorating. And the center goes in the center, and boom, there it is. Now, the only trick, and I will, what? Hey. Oh, she loves paper, you guys. Loves to tear up paper. The only thing is you have to make sure before you glue it that when you close it, it doesn't peek out the bottom or the side or the top. But then you can go like this. Ta-da! Okay, let's look at another one. Ready? You guys, so awesome. Here we go. Happy winter. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, shut up, shut up, shut up. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Is that just stunning? These are like work. Seriously, this is like another stand-up type thing, right? Where they are going to put this on, whoever you give this to is going to keep this forever. I mean, come on. How can you not keep that forever? This one, and it has like sequins, and oh my goodness. But then like this one too. Imagine making this part of your Christmas card. And then if you send this to a family, so like if I sent this to Kirsten, Colin, oh wait, they have 3 kids. I can't do that. If I sent this to Ken, Stephanie, Kirsten, and Katie, but look how cute, and you can like put their little names on it. Isn't that adorable? I love it. Okay, here's another one. Here's another one. Okay, ready? Okay, ready, set. Ta-da! You guys, are you just dying as much as I am? You can die cut it out of pattern paper. Look at that. And it's like its own little, oh my goodness. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. You guys, you are going to love this. And yes, I will definitely, great for kids' birthdays too. Absolutely. Absolutely. So we are almost done with phase 1 of the new gallery. And I'm really excited about it. And I'm going to start begging you guys to upload to it. Don't upload to the old one now. I mean, they're going to switch everything over, but don't upload to the old one. Just give us like, I'm thinking less than 5 days. Less than 5 days. So they're just trying to tweak a couple other things. And I'm like, well, I wanted to do this, 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 and this. And they're like, Stephanie, that's phase 2. You got to kick back, Jack. They're like, that's phase 2. So I said, okay, hurry, get it released so we can work on phase 2. So, does the fold on those always need to feed down, or it can fold up also? It can fold up also, love. So here it is going down, right? So there it's going down. But if you did it this way, look, it would just be going up. So it can go either way, You just decorate the other side, but you just need to make it a V. Oh my gosh, this dog. Okay, so those are the 3 items that are on flash sale. You guys all know the drill. 24 hours or until sold out. Now, let's look at the Kit Club. I'm warning you now, it will sell out. When? I have no idea. Kenny always makes extras. So every month we get new club members, right? And once in a while people have to drop out, but usually we're getting more and more and more. So every month Ken adds to the number of kits he makes. But when people sign up, once they're gone, he sends the extra embellishments to Utah. We don't have any more to make. So once it's gone, it's gone. If you're already in the Card Kit Club, sit back, relax. You know you're getting one, right? That's the good news. That is the good news. So here we go. Are you ready? Why does this box feel different? It has tape on it. That's weird. Okay. So here's our box. Oh, somebody used it. One of our design team members. I said one of my design team members used it, but apparently not because the address says Stamps of Life on both. But wait a minute. Did I grab the right box? Yes, I grabbed the right box. They just made me reuse the box. Okay, so here we go. Are you ready? Get set. Mary Lynn says, got my order in. So glad I'm a diamond member. Me too, my love. Stephanie K wants me to remind you to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Norma says, cool release. Thank you, love. Which one's your favorite? I'm telling you guys, I'll be honest. I cannot tell you which one is my favorite out of these 2. I love the Merry Christmas. Don't get me wrong. But I cannot tell you which one. I think I would say this one because now we can do top folds. I love top folds. Our design team is actually, I request them to do top folds when I go on HSN. So here we go. Are you ready? Get set. Oh, Kenny, did they all get the seasonal